Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, we will see how we can install Git in the Mac operating system using the ChatGPT. So let's start with the video. So let's go to ChatGPT and type steps to install Git in macOS using Homebrew. So to install the Git, we need Homebrew in our system. So I already have Homebrew in my system. So you can check the version brew minus version. So as you can see, Homebrew 4.0.16 is already installed in my system. So if you want to install Homebrew, so you can use this command. And if you have already a Homebrew, so you can directly use this command brew install git. So let's use this command. This will take some time. So git has been installed in my system. So you can check the version git minus version. So as you can see, we have installed 2.4.0.1 version in our system. So in this way, you can install the Git using the ChatGPT. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.